My name is Cadence and I'm going to teach you how to make slides. So the first thing you want to do is go to your drive and then click New. Then when you click New, you want to click Google Slides. When you go into Google Slides, it should look like this. What you can do is title your drive. Next, you want to actually title it so that it is easier to find Google Drive. So once you've titled it, the next thing you want to do is make more slides because you don't want just one slide. So you can click the plus button and it will create a new slide. You can type a title and you can type other text. Next, if you just add it, it will show up like the same format. So what you can do is you can right click and change apply layout, and you can change it so it's better. So this is good for pros and cons list or just any list. The next thing that you might want to do is change the theme so that it's not all boring. So what you can do is you can go through on this side and change the theme. I'm just going to click a random one. So once you clicked your theme, then you can just exit out of it. But don't worry because you can find it back up here again. Next thing you might want to do is change the background so it's not boring and white. What you can do is you can right click on either this or this. And you can just click change background. You can make it a regular color, or you can go to gradient and change it to a fun gradient color. So the next thing I'm going to teach you how to do is how to transition and animate. So if you want to animate, that just means like for the text transitions. So you click on the text box and then you go to the blue line and then you click right click and click animate, and you can choose whatever one you want. You can also choose the order. So that's what it will look like. Next, if you want to do the whole dang slide, then what you do is you do transition and you can click whatever one. And you can also click apply to all slides so that applies to both. So now this is what it should look like. And that's what it will look like. So the next thing I want to show you is the presentation options. So when you click present, there's going to be all these little things at the bottom. This one will just play through the thing. But this one, it will change the slides. You can also change the slides by clicking these, and it will show you. So I can click to my title slide, or I can click to pros and cons. You can also make speaker notes. To make speaker notes, you just go to any slide and there'll be this little thing. So then what you can do is you can just type in a little story. So pros and cons of bananas. And then you can list off a whole bunch of things just in case you forget. And then when you click present and you go to notes, it will show you your notes. And you can just go back into a full screen. The next thing that there is there's a pointer, and that makes it so that your mouse is a pointer and you can point across the screen. So say I really want to point out the cons, then I could just be like this. So like the cons versus the pros, but the cons and the pros. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is how you work slides, and I hope you learned a lot from this video.